Welcome to how to track phone's location on Google Maps. So in this video we are going to show you how to track phone's location on Google Maps. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you will open up Google Maps, okay? And now if you want to track someone's phone's location, you cannot track someone's phone's location unless they have sent you their phone's location pin, okay, unless they have shared their phone's location with you. Okay, so let's suppose that if you want to go to some of your friends, and basically your friend send you a Google Map location, or he or she have shared his or her location with you, then you can basically track their phone and get to them. But this is not the right way to basically track someone's phone's location, and this is not possible in Google Maps. So in this video so that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the